Please give a flight attendant.
Universal, and our view, it's so pretty. But it has been such a long day of just traveling, and it's been so hectic. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, and the time difference is 3 hours from Orlando, so it's driving me nuts. And he's in the shower. We're getting ready now to go tour Los Angeles, look around at some neighborhoods, see where we could potentially move, get a little feel. I love the lighting in here. Yes. But yeah, and then we're gonna go to the Grove for dinner, little area, shopping area. And I will check back with you guys later. Sorry I've been missing today, it's just been a long day.
I feel like fucking drifting down this fucking mountain.
Let's not do that. So we're taking the very scenic route to Alfred's coffee shop. Right? Alfred's?
Alfred's it is.
Like, this is insane. How you feel driving?
Fun. This is the most fun I've had driving in a long time.
Pay attention to the road.
No. Let me use some more time though.
No, you're not.
Psych.
Where are we going? Alfred's, then.
And the Grove.
In the Grove. Then.
Or we should probably go to the Grove at night.
Grove. Alfred's.
Alfred's to energize, to then hit the strips and have more fun driving roller coaster style. That's what it is. And then we'll cap it off with a nice the Grove session.
Are we going to neighborhoods?
Oh yeah, I forgot. That's the whole reason why we're.
Where are we right now?
Where we can't afford. That's where we are.
Hollywood.
Yeah, well there you have it.
Hollywood Hills, literally. It's literally giving me anxiety. I need to like slow down a little bit.
If I had enough energy, I'd be saying a lot more weeds by now.
Stop!
This guy's all up in my shit. I don't even know where this says. Oh, Melrose. Oh, jeez.
Well, we're at
Sunset. What? It's like...
Day 2 here in LA. We are going to Universal. Say hi.
What's up?
We're in Universal Studios today. Walking there right now.
Okay.
And I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah. Wonder what this is. Oh, a ballroom.
We stayed at the Sheraton last night. Now we're...
That was nice. I'm gonna Google the comforter and the duvet and the pillow because that shit was comfortable. Mine is being awake for 24 hours. That probably helped.
Yeah. So we're gonna go in the park and we will see you later. Bye. So we have arrived at our second location, the Grand Sheraton, downtown LA. Here is our suite. Living room. This view though. Here is the bedroom. Ooh. You dummy.
A godsend.
Oh, you can open the window. Don't jump.
You know what that means?
So pretty. Yeah, so this is our room where we'll be spending the next 5 nights. home, as you can see. I'm not really sure if you can see that, but I am back home. I do want to apologize for kind of ending the vlog the way I did, and I didn't really do much talking towards the end there. That's just because we were literally go non-stop, and a lot of the things we did we weren't allowed to film. So unfortunately that kind of sucked for me because we did a lot of behind the scenes stuff and we just weren't allowed to have our cameras. And then our very last day, which was Monday, we did the voice, and we left the hotel at 10 a.m. and we weren't allowed to bring our phones at all. So I left my phone at the hotel and we didn't get back till 9 p.m. That's why I lost my voice. I was literally screaming for like 4 hours because every single time any person talks, the audience, you have to scream and clap and scream, and I did not realize that going into it, but it was still a really fun experience. But yeah, I did lose my voice. But yeah, we made it home safely late last night. Today is, what is today? Wednesday. Jet lag, man, I'm so tired. But yeah, I cannot wait to go back to California. We're gonna hopefully be moving there at the end of 2019. Because that's when our lease is up. We're going to renew our lease one more year here just to save up as much money. I don't want to move out there with any student debt. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. But I really had an amazing time. I was so sad to come home. The weather was beautiful. It was actually cold, like our last day there. It was like in the 50s. It was really weird. But yeah, so once again, I do apologize for kind of leaving the vlog a little, just video clips here and there. But like I said, I wasn't able to film a lot of it. And then the parts I was able to film, of course, my phone was dead. Phone battery. Go figure. Rookie mistake, I know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little glimpse of my trip. And let me know if you like this vlog. And I'll try and start doing more, even though I'm not traveling anytime soon. But I'll start doing more vlogs if you'd like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog all the way till the end here. Make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.